The world is changing. People are at risk. With the increasing cases of different viruses, the big question is, how will you take care of yourself? In the past 2 years, the Philippines experienced hospital bed shortage and the need for oxygen tanks because of the pandemic.
The COVID-19 positivity rate of the Philippines rises, with all regions seeing an increase in infection.
We are one of the countries most affected by COVID-19 in the East Asia Pacific region, leaving a record of thousands of dead Filipinos.
We were not prepared. As a country, we were not prepared.
Experts warn many people in India are dying before they can even access basic medical care. So, amidst shortages of beds, oxygen, and meds,
Health system in major cities around the world were overwhelmed with cases too. The crisis revealed that hospitals were running out of oxygen supplies through cylinders, refills, concentrators, and oxygen cans. As the need arises, there's a modern and more efficient way to replace the current method. And that is Medical Oxygen Supply System or MOS. The first 24/7 available oxygen in the Philippines.
We've been searching for the partners in Filipino market because the Philippines are thousands of islands. It's really a good place to start business and also make contribution for the healthcare system. And actually, Seiralab found us. And they found us, and we had a communication, and also we had assurance that this is a reliable partner. So we have come this far today.
We engaged into this partnership with NF because I felt that we have this shortage of medical oxygen in our province, South Cotabato. Some of our hospitals here, it came to a point that they don't accept anymore patients because of their shortage of medical oxygen. In God's perfect timing, I have this partner in Korea who invented this medical oxygen supply system.
Early this year, Seiralab Incorporated and NF Company Limited launched the Medical Oxygen Supply System at Coronadal City.
Yes, our company NF, we are so dedicated to oxygen because our motto is saving life. And we only manufacture, we only develop the oxygen-related product. So we try to offer the on-site generation of oxygen, which means we just have the raw material of the ambient air, and we just need the electricity, and the hospital can generate the oxygen for their own consumption on site. So this is a solution we try to offer to the society.
The Medical Oxygen Supply System, or MOS, can lessen the risk of explosions in using oxygen tanks. It will also lessen the maintenance problems of the hospitals and will address the shortage of medical oxygen in the country. More and more adapt to this technology since MOS has higher oxygen purity. It meets the oxygen purity of 93% requirement. The system is already used outside the Philippines. In India, the first installation was in a COVID-19 ward in 2020. It is also the first medical oxygen system of its kind in Korea. With the removal of medical oxygen tanks in the hospital, it can be sustainable since we can lessen the areas where these empty of refill tanks are stored. Compared to the spaces occupied by these tanks, the new technology only needs small space to provide oxygen to the whole hospital, making it cost and space efficient. With the current healthcare situation in the Philippines, the state-of-the-art technology will not just help to elevate our healthcare system, but will aid the need of medical oxygen throughout the country. Imagine the 24/7 steady supply of medical oxygen it can support to patients. It's a breakthrough that will answer one of the problems in our healthcare system. One of the pioneers of the said technology is the St. Elizabeth Hospital located in General Santos City.
There was a time during the pandemic really that we were experiencing such a severe shortage sa mga oxygen tanks. And this precipitated yung aming pag-look out for an alternative technology that will meet the demand for oxygen. Fortunately, I chanced upon knowing the technology that MOS was able to offer. One thing that I realized after trying out the product for 6 months is tama yung aking speculation that this is something that's really unique, no? Kasi saan ka naman nakakita na ang technology is modular, no? When we say modular, kung gaano karami yung modules mo, kapag in case nag-breakdown yung isang module, andyan pa yung ibang modules to enable us to still continue to operate, no? Unlike yung traditional technology natin dito sa Pilipinas na isang planta, isang makina, pag nasira yung makina na yon, affected lahat, zero operations. And I do believe also that with this kind of technology, it's going to sort of be the game changer, no? Pagdating sa provision ng oxygen supply, no? Because it is something that I hope, no, that other hospitals will emulate, no? Because of the fact that importante talaga dito yung business continuity. With Seiralab, no, hindi sila nangimi na magbigay ng assistance sa amin, no. In fact, even the technicians coming from India and South Korea pumunta sa amin dito to sort of diligently explain to us what's the difference, no, with this type of technology vis-a-vis dun sa current technology that all other hospitals are using. All-out support ang binigay nila sa amin, and they've also been patient with us, no, because sabi ko nga sa kanila, we needed really to establish a proof of concept, no, because bagong-bago itong teknolohiyang ito, kailangan patunayan muna natin, no, that this is really workable, no, and it will really greatly contribute sa efficiency and effectiveness of providing this oxygen requirement sa mga pasyente. To sum it up, well, Seiralab has been really our partner on this undertaking.
As more hospitals embrace MOS, it is safe to say that we are on the great start in elevating our healthcare system. This technology is set to conquer the whole Philippines.
With this technology, this MOS, it can elevate our healthcare facilities for that reason they can have their own production of medical-grade oxygen 24/7, 365 days.
As we move forward to a new normal, we should also embrace these innovations for Filipinos to feel safe in our healthcare system and to improve our way of living.
First of all, I want to show my gratitude to Seiralab, Incorporated for this opportunity, and also the hospital and One Hospitalities and acceptance for this technology. And we want to make a contribution, not just doing business. So please give us a chance, and we will join, at forward for this improvement of the healthcare system.
Sa aming industry kasi dito sa healthcare, no, number one talaga is that ano yung kapakanan ng pasyente, no? Safety is above all paramount. Yung safety risk greatly na minimized na because of this type of technology. And I hope, no, that by creating this kind of technology available to the market, no, other hospitals will follow suit.
There is a new and advanced technology of steady supply of medical oxygen that can put an end to shortage of supply anywhere in the Philippines with the ease of installation.
Medical Oxygen Supply System, a world-class innovative device. From Seiralab Incorporated and NF Company Limited, a better healthcare system for a better Philippines.